Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So these are the stocks in which to watch out in this week. So the stocks were Glenmark, Wipro, Techem, and I'm gonna also explain the possible to enter and exit, and also I'm gonna explain the pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty as well as these three stocks. So going to the first option chart analysis of Nifty 50. So you can see the 1 hour time frame. So you can also see from November 26, it's been a consolidated range till 8th December, and also on 8th December it kind of broke out and it's been a consolidated range of nearly 240 points. So clearly my point of view on this Nifty 50 is I am going long until it is above 17,360 nearly. The target would be 17,760 approximately, and the stop loss you can keep below here, this level. So you can see the entry price, target price, and the stop loss price. So the entry price would be I am going till long at 17,380. The target would be 17,760 and the stop loss would be 17,200. So right now I am kind of long on it. And also going to the Bank Nifty chart analysis, you can also see the 1 hour candlestick time frame. Since I've already entered a trade on 8th December, going long same as Nifty, so you can see the price ranges, you can see the simply consolidated range and it break out, and then I went long on it. So you can see the buy price, you are currently at a buying price of 36,960 and the target would be 38,370, and you can keep a stop loss of 36,650 clearly. You can see the support levels and the resistance level which gave a breakout, and then I'm going long on it. So simple strategy. So these are the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty for this week, approximately from tomorrow Tuesday to Friday. So going to the equity stocks, which is Glenmark, you can see this is as a kind of resistance level trade. So you can see the one sec. So you can kind of see like here there was a resistance 1 2 3, here a 4, and then there was the 5. So there is a kind of, you can see at the first resistance level, the sellers push the price below, and second resistance level the sellers again push the price. It continued till the 4th. So and then there was again another resistance level, and combining support levels, we can combine like minimum these levels. So I am kind of going short on it. So you can keep a target over here, approximate 63 points of target, and you can keep a stop loss above here. So simple strategy, resistance breakout, it didn't happen, so we are going short on it. So the sellers will be push the price below in this week range. So you can also keep that, so the selling price would be 534 and the stop loss would be 554. Those two are consistent, and the target price would be, you can keep a target of, first target would be 471 and the second one would be 462, which is 72 points, which is kind of 3.7 risk reward ratio, which is absolutely good. You can see this target, selling price and the stop loss price. And going to the second equity call, which is Wipro, today it gave nearly 1% move, which is good for Wipro stock. So you can see this triangle pattern which didn't break out, but there is a kind of, you can see at the range of here there was a good movement over there, and it's been a consolidated range from nearly 20 days. So this is a consolidated range. So I'm thinking that there would be a positive range and there would be a long from here, so you can keep a target over here. So that's my point of view, and you can see the confirmation as I showed in you now, and you can keep a stop loss over here 619, or yeah, it would be good 619. So the buying price would be 646 to 645 and the stop loss would be 640 619, and the target would be 739, which is kind of, let me show you the risk reward. So the reward would be 90 points, which is 14% nearly, and the risk would be 3%. This is also kind of 1:3 risk reward. So you can see the buying price, selling price, and the stop loss price. And going to the third equity call, which is TechM. So as seeing it, it was in a consolidate range from 26th October to nearly today. Here it gave a breakout above this resistance level, so I am kind of going long on it. This is also a call for long term, and I am clearly thinking that there would be a 2 to 3% profit from here. So you can open the target, you can keep the target open, and you can just keep the stop loss below here, that is 1617. The buying price would be 1640, and you can kind of go long on this stock. This is also a good stock for a long term also, and you can also get a pretty dividend, good dividend. So the Tech Mahindra is a good stock to buy and hold for long term. So if you get a tomorrow or day after tomorrow in this week, if you get 5 to 10% return, then please book the profits, and you can keep a stop loss of minimum. The stop loss is very low compared to the returns it gonna generate. So this is the buying price and the selling price and the stop loss price, so go for it. So these are the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and equity stocks of Glenmark, Wipro, Techem. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, then please do smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos from this YouTube channel, Investors and Traders Club, and don't forget to click the bell icon.